This is the Mini RF1 Charge Package. This full package comes with 8 extremely bright Mini RF1s, an extremely durable flight carry case that has a charging strip inside to charge all of the lights, and then all the included accessories like 8 long distance RF remotes and charging cables for your lights. On the front of the flight case we have 2 butterfly locks where you can also run a small padlock through if you want to lock your case fully. There's also a carry handle on the top over here, which makes carrying this whole package as easy as carrying a briefcase. The case itself is very durable and made from aluminum and plywood, so it can take a beating and still protect all of your lights. We actually filmed a drop test for this package, so let's go check that out now.
What's up guys, so here I have the Mini RF1 Charge Package that comes included with 8 Mini RF1 wash lights all set up here and ready to go. So here I have all of the lights inside, powered on and working as you can see. So let's say you're heading to your gig or event and one thing leads to another. You're bringing your case out, you have a weird grip. Oh no! Then it falls. No need to worry though, because this thing is a beast and can take damage like a champ. See, not even a scratch. And if we check on the inside, we check our lights inside, nothing happened. They are completely fine. So you can carry on to your gig or event as if nothing ever happened.
On the bottom of the case are 4 rubber non-slip feet so that the case will stay in place when you are taking your lights out or setting them up to charge. And inside the case are 8 Mini RF1 par wash lights, RF remotes to control all 8 of the lights, and charging cables to charge all of the lights. Over here we have our charging cable that plugs out of the case and into the wall so that we can charge all the lights. And running on the side of the case is the power strip, which is where each light plugs into to charge them. Now you'll notice each of the 8 slots is perfectly form-fitting, made from a high-density shockproof foam to keep the lights nice and snugly protected in their slots. And the top lid is also padded, which keeps the tops of your lights nice and protected during transport. There is also a side compartment that can hold all of your charging cables, remotes, accessories, etc. Let's set up all of the lights for charging. So each light has its own charging cable, so what you're going to want to do is take your light, then take your charging cable, plug it into the light like this, and then take the other end and run it straight into the power strip like this. After you have all of the 8 lights plugged into the power strip, you are going to take the case charger, plug it right into this slot over here, and then take the male end and plug it right into your wall. The last step is to just turn it on, and you'll notice each of the lights charging LED indicators on the chargers come on. Now this is super important to note. The Mini RF1s have some of the best and long-lasting batteries on the market. They are 3000 mAh batteries, which means you need to keep this top lid open whenever you are charging your lights so they can get proper ventilation. Now on top of having great battery life with 15 hours for a single color, the Mini RF1s are RGB WA plus UV lights where the included RF remote gives you a lot of control over the functionalities like different colors and different modes like auto mode, fade, sound, and strobe mode, all from a max distance of 100 feet. And because the brackets are adjustable, you have multiple different angles you can point the light at for wall washing or to use it to hang it from a truss. You can also remove the bracket and use these lights on the inside of a totem to illuminate a DJ facade or even to illuminate bottles as the centerpiece of a table. These lights also feature wireless DMX and complete wireless linking to each other in master-slave mode. Or you can control the lights off a single remote using the many different preset modes. So the Mini RF1 Charge Package is a great system for transporting and charging efficiently the Mini RF1s that come preloaded inside of them. So whether you are a DJ or you have an entertainment company or you're just looking for an all-in-one package that has 8 rechargeable RF par wash lights and a charging case to charge them, look no further than the Mini RF1 Charge Package from Rockville.